Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi teman-teman. Apa kabar? Selamat pagi saya ucapkan kepada Dr. Profesor Maharina Sari. Nama saya Cutfianti, mahasiswa Pasca Sarjana Magister Manajemen Universitas Pembangunan Veteran Jakarta. Saya seorang entrepreneur legalitas muda dan saat ini saya ingin menjelaskan mengenai strategi brand position untuk merek Apple. Brand position memiliki beberapa tahap. Yang pertama adalah value, reliability, accessibility, dan usability, emotional connection, awareness, relevant differentiation. Menurut Steve Jobs, pemilik Apple, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. It takes a lot of hard work to make something simple, to truly understand the underlying challenge and come up with elegant solution. It's not just minimalist or the absence of clutter. It involves digging through the depth of complexity. To be truly simple, you have to go really deep. You have to deeply understand the essence of a product in order to be able to get rid of the parts that are not essential. Apple Smart Strategic Thinking. Number one, set a vision of what you want. Apple wants everyone to be part of technology in the future. The main issue is how to get passionate, loyal Apple fans to spread the word to the masses. Number two, invest resource in a strategic program. Invest and align everything Apple does behind the simplicity brand idea. Apple makes technology so simple. Everyone can be part of the future. Number three, focus on the identify opportunity. Apple focus on customer frustration with technology with Apple's as easier solution. Number four, leverage a breakthrough market impact. Apple takes a fast follower stance on making technology simple, high profile, launch type with focal Apple activities to spread the word. Number five, performance results that may pay back. Apple is now the most beloved consumer-driven brand with premium price, stronger market share, sales, and profit. Apple iPhone marketing plan is number one, executive summary, situational analysis, SWOT analysis, marketing objective, marketing strategy, implementation, budget, and control. Maka strategi satu, Apple akan meluncurkan serangan komunikasi penuh dengan menantang posisi dominan PC atau Microsoft Windows dengan menemukan kekurangan pada PC yang kontras dengan kesederhanaan komputer Mac untuk mencuri pangsa pasar yang signifikan dengan membujuk konsumen PC yang frustasi dengan membeli Mac. Apple akan meluncurkan serangan penuh terhadap seluruh industri musik dengan sikap inventor yang mengganggu untuk menunjukkan bagaimana iTunes menyediakan musik digital berkualitas lebih tinggi di iPod Anda jauh lebih murah, lebih cepat, dan lebih pintar daripada CD untuk mendapatkan titik masuk ke industri musik. Taktik iklan TV untuk menonjolkan fitur-fitur baru dan menantang pesaing meluncurkan inovasi setiap tahun termasuk ponsel, tablet, musik online, jam tangan, dan komputer pribadi. Produk khusus untuk Cina, tingkatan ruang retail di seluruh dunia, bangun program Eniaga. Jika Anda mengambil metode pemikiran strategis dan mulai menguraikan rencana merek dengan merek Apple, ini akan menjadi elemen. Intinya, visi Apple ingin semua orang di dunia menjadi bagian dari masa depan. Sasarannya, melanjutkan pertumbuhan penjualan yang agresif, perluasan geografis ke Cina, meluncurkan teknologi ramah konsumen baru yang besar di setiap tahun. Masalah utama, bagaimana kami menyampaikan pengalaman pengguna Mac yang superior dibandingkan PC tradisional. Bagaimana kita memasuki industri musik dan meningkatkan ketersediaan musik online untuk mendukung iPod kita. Annual brand plan, brand vision. Apple wants everyone in the world to be part of the future and to be 1 trillion brand evaluation. Berdasarkan analisis P&L forecast, sales-nya, gross margin, GM, marketing budget terus meningkat. Di mana drivers grow coming from 55% consumer using training program to support retail store sales and build loyalty. Inhibition, consumer feel there is not true. The innovation is Apple phones, declining service rating, longer lives, falling behind on laptop. Risk, Samsung competitive, patient, unscathed by uploading phone issue. Trade dispute could involve duties, higher costs, cut into profit. The opportunity, explore switching to Apple chip technology for laptop, replacing Intel, invest in e-commerce opportunity, continue to improve design of mobile. And the issue of strategy, key issue, number one, how do we win the battle with Samsung, Google in smartphone? Number one, what technology platform will be next round and surprising innovation? How do we stretch and leverage our bond with our most loyal Apple user? The strategy is begin smartphone leadership with trial building program. Use innovation to build out Apple news and entertainment service. Use higher service to take in community. The goals increase mobile penetration from 30% to 37%, up to from 45% to 50% with your target. Monitor repeat purchase among most loyal. Drive penetration of Apple News and TV service of 20. How dollar share during competitive laptop launch and continue to grow 11% post-launch, gaining up to 15 share, 15% share. Executional plans, advertising, TV advertising is hype like new future that challenge competitor. Media, TV, especially magazine, event cited, digital and social media, retail. Display new phones and MacBook Pros with the messaging around design, speed and simplicity feature. Mass channel distribute blitz, support retail blitz with message focus on holding shelf space during holiday season. Use key to specialty splits to grow distribution channel. Innovation, launch innovation each year, including phones, tablet, online music, watch, and personal computer. Launch news TV service with the launch hype for June, September period to gain earned media. Support with heavy TV advertising, print in store, and direct to customer message via mobile. B2B Fortune 500 sales. Revamp B2B sales program with new discount for trading up to premium phones and laptop. And here's the brand. Between the brand and the customer is promise. We make it easier to use electronical so that you will feel smarter and the leading edge of technology no matter who you are. And the strategy is technology made simple with customer friendly across a broad array of electronic products. Products have simple stylish design, use-friendly functional. The story, technology doesn't have to be intimidating or frustration. At Apple, we believe we should be engaged right away to be able to do more and get more. Freshness, 10 years of surprising technology advancements that changed the world: iPad, iTunes, Macs, AirBooks, iPhone, and iPad. Every product was stylish, simple, easy to use, and leap from competition. And the experience, Apple starts with consumer experience and works back to the technology, helping create an experience that supports the promise. Apple think of every before consumer need. So, studi kasus Apple, bagaimana Apple membangun segala sesuatu dibanding semua ide merek kesederhanaan dengan menggunakan proses pemosisian merek. Kami mempersempit kelompok manfaat potensi Apple dari manfaat fungsional dan emosional. Di bawah ini kami menunjukkan bagaimana 3 zona manfaat fungsi Apple mencakup hidup yang sederhana, daya tarik sensorik, dan pengalaman. 3 zona manfaat emosional Apple mencakup optimis, perasaan bebas, dan diperhatikan. Ada 3 dari fungsi benefit sheet set, yaitu yang pertama, Apple is efficient, integrated, easy to use, simplifies your life. And emotional benefit sheet set is motivation, successful, sense of optimism, and inspire. Setelah menyelesaikan semuanya, pernyataan pemosisian merek secara keseluruhan berfokus pada penyederhanaan teknologi untuk membantu Anda merasa lebih pintar, sehingga Anda dapat melakukan lebih banyak hal dengan setiap perangkat. So Apple target to highly connected, fast-paced people who are frustrated by the annoying complexion of technology. The category is Apple is consumer electronics brand. The benefit that simplifies technology to help you feel smarter, so you can do more with every device. That support point, that's because we start with ideal consumer experience and work back to the technology. Eliminate every fashionable frustration. We pose the surprising technology that will change the world with intuitive, simply and easy to use product. Membangun ide merek Apple. Studi kasus Apple dimulai dengan ide merek, dan Apple adalah membuat teknologi begitu sederhana sehingga semua orang dapat menjadi bagian dari masa depan. Yang terpenting, Steve Jobs bersikeras bahwa mereka mengambil mentalitas yang mengutamakan konsumen saat mereka mengubah kemajuan teknologi ke depan menjadi teknologi yang dapat diakses konsumen, membantu menyulut persepsi di antara khalayak luas bahwa Apple adalah pemimpin yang inovatif. Dan berikut adalah tabel-tabel dari CPCP to steer everything they do. Apple makes technology so simple that everyone can be part of the future. Consumer and brand. Brand promises. We think like consumer and make everything easy to use. Packaging, logo, and slogan. Brand story, technology should not be frustrating. We make it easy to do more, get more. Advertising and media. Innovation ideas, surprising technology made easy to use for all customers. Product development, purchase movement, allow consumer to try, touch, and feel the product without pressure. And sales and retail. Happy experience, start at customer experience and work back to the technology, culture, and operation. Brand promise, think different. Here's to the crazy one, the misfit, the rebels, the troublemakers, and the round speck in the square holes, the one who see things differently. They are not found or loose, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify and vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things, they push the human race forward, and while some may see them as the crazy one, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Yes, Steve Jobs. And this is story, the brand element from logo. And number 1 is original logo. In 1976 until 1998, the logo is full of color like rainbow and become black and silver, and now currently easy to recognize quality and innovation. One of the most valuable simple thing different. Brand packaging history. 2016 iPhone 7 no headphone jack. 2017 iPhone X no home button. 2020 iPhone 12 no headphones, no charger in the box. 2021 on no iPhone on the box. Brand competition. Apple Inc. major competition. Samsung Electronic, Google, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, LG Electronic. Apple key competition in the smartwatch industry. Fitbit, Lenovo, Samsung Electronic, Garmin, and Apple. Still number 1 is Apple Inc. and number 2 is Garmin. And Samsung is number 3 and the others is Fitbit and Lenovo. Brand pricing. Market 2070 China smartphone model sales market share in percent. Counterpoint market. This is so the number 1 is Oppo R9s and number 2 is iPhone 7 Plus and number 3 is Vivo X10, Oppo A57, iPhone 7, Oppo R11, Vivo Y66, Honor 8 Lite, Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, Honor Enjoy 6X. Brand identity price. Picture of sender. Personality, cool, simplicity, innovative, culture, believing in free challenge, power to people through technology, US culture, self-image, younger brand for making customer feel special, ranking, presenting different symbol, easy access, microcomputer relationship, friendliness, emotional, heartfelt connection, reflection, self-enhancement connection. So thank you. This is presentation from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pendidikan bukan hanya persoalan pergi ke kampus lalu mendapatkan ijazah, tapi soal memperluas wawasan serta menyerap ilmu di kehidupan. Terima kasih. Salam bahagia dari saya. Bye-bye.